What's the meaning of atto dash? Atto. Atto.
Atto. Atto. Atto dash is a prefix used in the International System of Units, SI, to denote a factor of 10^-18. It is derived from the Danish word atten, meaning 18. The prefix atto is extremely small and is used to measure quantities that are even smaller than nanometers. For instance, an attoampere is equivalent to 1/quintillionth of an ampere. Atto is commonly used in scientific and engineering disciplines like physics, chemistry, and biology, where precise measurements of very small quantities are important for accurate experimental results and theoretical calculations.